Make one right English style. With your left needle, grab the strand of yarn connecting between the stitches on your left needle and your right needle. Take that left needle to grab that strand from the back to the front, and then knit into that stitch through the front leg. Continental style. Again, with your left needle, you're grabbing that strand of yarn that goes between the stitches on the left needle and on the right needle. That left needle is going to pick up that strand from the back to the front, and then you will knit that strand through the front leg. The result of the Make One Right is you will have a nearly invisible increase of stitches that are leaning to the right.